Hey guys, welcome back to the Credit Card Blueprint. Hope you guys are all having a great day today. Now, a lot of people think you need 10s or 20 or 30 credit cards to make money with rewards and cash back, but that is not the case. You need 3 cards that you understand how to maximize the rewards that it offers. In today's video, we're going to talk about the only 3 cards that you need for 2026. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, ask down below. And if you guys want to, check out our channel, we talk about all things credit cards, credit building, how to travel with credit. Make sure you guys subscribe, but let's dive into this. So the first card is a card actually we've talked about quite often on this channel, and this is the Amex Gold Card. Now, why I love it is because of one word, and that is food. This card covers all of your food. And the reason why I say that is because if you guys buy any groceries, you get 4 times points back. If you guys go and eat out, you get 4 times points back. So honestly, if you guys spend on $1,000 a month over the course of a year, you're getting about 48,000 points, which is equivalent to near and around about $480 in rewards, which is fantastic because this isn't even including anything else like the travel points, like credits. So let's break those down. So with this card, if you guys purchase hotels with the Amex travel portal, you get 5 times points back. You get 3x on all flights. You get 2x on all prepaid rental cars and cruises. And then you get 1 times points back on everything else. The annual fee is $325. But why I think this is important here is because all this covers is literally just your food. Because 1 times points back, there's better options. And with the travel, this is pretty solid. But one of the cards that we talk about later is going to be better. So where you're going to be getting a lot of rewards is just eating out and getting groceries. But like I said, the Amex Gold Card offers a whole bunch of credits that I think are very, very important. You get $120 or about $10 a month for Uber that you can use for Uber Eats or just Uber. Not to mention, you get $120 dining credit. You get $100 Resi credit, $84 Dunkin' Donuts. So those those credits right there add up to about $424. So I think that at itself is pretty solid, and especially if you guys eat out, you're going to be getting around $800 in rewards and free stuff with the annual fee of $325. So I think that at itself just outweighs the cost of that annual fee. You also get a lot of really good things like extended warranties, certain rental car coverages for insurance, and just a lot of miscellaneous stuff like lounges and other stuff like that. But where you're going to love it, honestly, is just going to be the rewards that it offers. So when should you use this card? Simple. Eat now. And groceries. All right, let's dive into the second card. The second card is going to be just your everyday purchases. This is going to be the Robinhood Gold Card. Now, why I love this is because all the cash back you get, you can just use for investments. For somebody that invests quite a lot, and I'm already integrated in the Robinhood, atmosphere. I have IRAs, I have a standard broker's account with them, and I just try to invest as much as I can. That cash back I've gotten out of this card is around $600, which is incredible, which is essentially free money that I can use to invest. Now, you also can use the money for gift cards, purchasing travel stuff, and a lot of miscellaneous stuff. But I think for me, the biggest rewards that it offers is just going to be the cash back to your Robinhood account. But the main benefit of this card is just the 3% cash back on everything. With the Amex Gold Card, you get 1 times points back on everything. This, is way better. Now, all you have to have with this card is just a Robinhood Gold account, which is like $5 a month. So for me, I already way outweigh the cost of that. And I already use the Robinhood Gold. So it's just like a kind of a perfect storm, really, because I already used it, signed up with this, and now it just already integrated and I don't even have to worry about it. All right, so the last and final one is the Capital One Adventure X card. This is going to be a travel card. Now, this card here, if you guys book hotels or rental cars, you get 10 times points back. You get 5x on flights and vacation rentals, 2x on all other purchases essentially, and then 5x on all qualifying Capital One entertainment purchases. So this card does sound expensive, right? $395. But to be quite honest, if you guys go on 2 vacations a year, it pays for itself because it offers a $300 travel credit and 10,000 anniversary miles. So all of that at itself adds up to $400. So it essentially outweighs the cost of the annual fee. Plus, if you guys go on 2 vacations a year, you're going to be getting a whole bunch of fantastic rewards that you can use for more travel, that you can use for anything you'd like. So once you use this card, it's simple, just travel, and that's about it. The biggest thing you just got to be cautious of with this card is just making sure you travel, because if there's a year or 2 years, or maybe you get into the habit of not traveling, make sure you try to downgrade this card, because the main values is going to be travel things. So it's going to be like lounge access, it's going to be like cell phone protection, a lot of things like that, car rental insurance, all that stuff is covered with this card. So the best of both worlds for me is simple. It's one, having the gold card for all food and groceries. Then we used the Robinhood Gold card for everything else, right? So this could be furniture, this could be utilities that accept credit cards that don't, have a fee associated with them. This could be more going to wholesale places like Costco, Sam's Club. This could be a variety of things. Then we used the Capital One Venture X card for all things travel. It's as easy as that. And you guys will see over the course of a year or two, you're going to be getting a whole bunch of fantastic rewards that way outweigh the cost of the annual fee. But something to take note of is make sure you guys have auto pay set up, because the last thing you want to do is start using these cards and then you just can't pay for them, right? Make sure you guys pay these cards off every single month, because that's where you could lose money on this deal, is not having that set up or spending too much money on it. So make sure you guys are smart. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and follow, and we'll see you guys in the next one.